Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Real Collagen Fit, only way. Start with a clean, dry face and wash hands. Dispense a pea-sized amount onto fingertips and gently pat onto targeted areas, focusing on fine lines and areas prone to thinning skin. Use upward motions and avoid rubbing harshly. Allow full absorption before applying sunscreen or makeup. Use consistently twice daily for progressive improvement in texture and firmness, with minimal irritation. Begin by cleansing and optionally lightly misting the face so skin is slightly damp. This helps absorption. Dispense a small amount and warm between fingertips, then pat into skin using gentle, upward motions. Focus on problem areas like around the eyes, mouth, and jawline, and wait until product fully absorbs before adding sunscreen or makeup. Consistent morning and evening application produces the most noticeable skin texture improvements over time. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, which frees up time for self-care routines like applying collagen. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a tiny life upgrade after your skincare step. Now let's get back to the video. A common mistake is overusing the product. Stick to a pea-sized dose to prevent pilling and stickiness. Be mindful when combining with active ingredients like retinoids or acids. Layer thoughtfully or consult a pro to avoid irritation. Avoid applying to broken or inflamed skin and pause if you experience sharp burning or swelling. Track results weekly and adjust frequency if you notice excessive dryness or sensitivity to maintain comfort and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.